It's
It's
recording.
recording, but I don't hear any torch.
Yeah, it's gonna come on. So where's my headphones? Where's my headphones?
In your bag.
Oh.
Wait, don't record.
Because last time that she closed on me, and like I know.
Damn.
Well, not like I left my
Get it across, right?
Listening to those teenagers figure out all the logistics of how they're gonna go.
Caution,
Get the
the
drink out.
doors are about to close.
Do we have to watch it full away?
Oh, we pretty much have to.
Yep. Imagine putting your hand under there.